Welcome back to my channel. Stefan Wolf is here. Sharpening video as usual. In front of you, German man-made sharpening stone from Zische Abrasives, sintered aluminium oxide, around 13 microns. This is FEPA 500 grit or Japanese industry standard 1200. Spyderco 6-inch utility knife in MBS 26 steel, very close to the Sandvik 19C27. The Japanese say that this steel is rather coarse, compared of course to ABL and 52100, but let's say compared to 440C or D2, it's just fine steel. As usual, distressing the edge, this gives us continuous reflection of white, and when this white disappears from the edge, we are very close to reaching the apex. The stone is very porous, so constant application of water is needed. I'm searching for my angle and I found it. Usually I go to lower grits, but I will try this video to be reasonably long. From the title you know that the main subject of the video is the finishing stone, the German natural Quarried Thuringian stone. This 500 grit Missarka leaves a very uniform scratch pattern, and I will try to do close to mirror finish on the natural stone. I'm applying around 1 kilogram force. The edge bevel is 1 millimeter wide. We can do the math about the pressure. I'm paying extra attention to the tip, which is one of the problematic areas when I'm sharpening. Of course, the main goal is not to raise the burr, to use the auto sharpening method and micro beveling at the end. I'm searching for this white reflection previously mentioned. Let's check the progress, and this is probably a little bit closer to the apex. It's almost fully formed. So the stone is dry, very white, just the weight of the knife to refine the scratch pattern, to prepare the edge for polishing. That's enough. Switching the stones. I'm using them for base for each other. So starting with the swery stone. It comes with the stone in the package, a nice wooden box. Check my previous videos about unpacking the stone, flattening, conditioning, checking the flatness out of the box, of course. So we have a slurry and starting to polish. You can see the consistency of the slurry. It's not very thick, but it's consistent. This is a slate stone. It's medium to soft hardness, really easy to raise the slurry, to keep it with working with the knife on the stone. Basically, these are modern quarried stones, nothing like the old Escher or Echter celebrated razor hones. They are hard and much more suitable to finish razors. This stone is maximum 6, the equivalent of 6,000 Japanese man-made modern synthetic stone. I think this is plenty of work with the slurry. Yes, very pleasant, almost mirror polish. Now I'm cleaning the stone. A little bit work with the slurry stone to clean the metal deposits on the surface. And I am going to micro bevel with just water. Keep in mind that the stone is medium soft hardness, so apexing or micro beveling, sorry, with such type of stone is a little bit tricky. Do not apply a lot of pressure. Micro beveling on Arkansas stone is much easier because they are extremely hard. You cannot screw it, and here you can. Just the weight of the blade. I think that's enough. Let's check the sharpness. And I'm perfectly satisfied with the result. Usually I run this knife a little bit coarser, but it's very easy to obtain high initial sharpness with this steel on this hardness. Yes. After quick inspection, I'm really satisfied with the result. Almost mirror finish edge. You saw the sharpening, man-made 500 grit aluminum oxide sintered stone from Zische Abrasives, German stone, and another German stone for finishing stone. Natural, quarried in Thüringer region of Germany. Modern quarry. Don't mistake it with the old razor hones, the old Thuringian razor hones. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.